Hello, Brooklyn. I'm Vincent White, and today we're talking about situations you might need an employment attorney in and how to select a good employment attorney. So now, if you've been the victim of discrimination, if you've been retaliated against by your boss, if you've blown the whistle on your boss's illegal practices, or if you're not being paid your overtime, your per session pay, your on-call pay, even your regular wages, in all of those situations, you need an employment attorney. But that's a really specialized kind of attorney, and it's really hard for people, even other attorneys, to know how to select the right attorney for you in this field. What I always recommend is you have to see at least 4 or 5 different attorneys. Get a feel for what you're looking for, get a feel for who you might work well with. And that means you have to meet a couple. How it's going to work. It's going to be time consuming, but it's worth it because you're fighting for your rights, and sometimes these cases can be really important. So take the time, do it right. Before you go in, make sure you're doing your research. Check the attorney's prior verdicts. Make sure the firm actually handles trials. Make sure they know what they're doing. They've done this before. Make sure this is actually what they do, day in and day out. The experience level really matters here. Check the reviews online. Go to websites like Yelp, Google+, Google Local, and AVVO, so avo.com, and look up client reviews for the attorneys. Make sure their clients are happy. Make sure their clients aren't saying, he took my money, he didn't do anything. Or he took my case and he's doing an okay job, but he never returns my calls, and I don't know what's going on, and I'm terrified every day that my case is over. It's no way to live, and it's no way to handle a case, so make sure you're finding an attorney who's going to be responsive, who's going to do the work and make you feel comfortable, make you feel informed. That's very important. I would also recommend you check the Bar Association. Both avvo.com and the Bar Association are going to keep track of the disciplinary record, the ethical record of attorneys. And you can check and see if the attorney you're dealing with is good or not good. And it's that simple. If they're bad people, people will complain about them, and you'll hear about that from either one of those organizations. Avo.com also offers attorney ratings, which I think can be valuable. It gives you an idea about the level of experience, the level of peer recognition, the level of client recognition that attorney receives from his or her community, and that's important. Make sure you're getting the right attorney, because you're going to be spending time, maybe 18 months, maybe longer. Could be 3 years with some of these cases, hopefully a lot shorter than that, and if it settles, it could be very quick. But don't assume your case is going to be easy. If it was easy, it wouldn't be worth doing. Set it up, get it right, settle in for the long haul. These cases are important. These are your rights. Make sure you're finding someone who will work with you to protect them. I hope this helps. Take care.